So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to try and make the induction noise better on this Toyota Crown. So what I'm going to be doing today is replacing the stock airbox with an aftermarket pod filter. But before we do that, we probably have to quickly go to the post office to drop off some ZPG apparel. So here it is, don't mind the pamphlet, you know, had to cover the address. But this one right here goes out to Jack, so massive shout out and massive thank you to Jack. Also guys, massive shout out and massive thank you to everyone who's already purchased some ZPG apparel. You guys actually killed it. I just want to say a big thank you and fuck with y'all hard. Also, even if you didn't purchase anything, watching my videos, commenting and giving a fat like, PHAT is already enough. Anyways guys, yeah, the post office closes in about an hour, so I guess we better get going, huh? Let's see if we can get some induction noise. Yeah. Alright guys, just dropped off the package and now we're at Super Cheap Auto. So we're gonna go in, try and find a pod filter. I'm hoping it's the right one, you know, straight adapter, straight into the pipe. If not, gonna buy a converter. You know, that's double job. So hopefully we can find something, but yeah, let's go for sus. Which one?
"20 minutes later."
Oh, actually I haven't been to this one in ages, yeah? For the old HQ, damn. Oh, here it is guys. So that's the one I'm after. This was the one I saw at the other Super Cheap. That one's cheaper. I don't know if it's the same or not, but fuck it, this one looks better anyways, eh? Doesn't look like your typical pod filter. So we'll grab this one, yeah. That look like eBay. But might be better though, because you can suck air in here. This one's covered.
No, you don't lie.
But nah, it's expensive, more expensive for a reason.
Cost more for a reason.
Yeah. We just got back home and here it is, the K&N pod filter that we're going to be trying to install on this Toyota Crown JZS 171. We open it up. Yeah, here it is. So basically, as you guys can see, this chunky as stock airbox, we're going to remove that and hopefully the K&N pod filter will work. So what you have to do is take out this intercooler pipe. So you take out this half only right here, take it out and it can get access to the actual airbox and then you can lift it up, because you can loosen the airbox but then you can't lift it because the intercooler pipe is in the way. So first things first, we're going to remove this and then we can work our way around. I think it's just a few 10mm bolts and then yeah, it should be good. And hopefully this fits, because this is a 3-inch opening right here and I don't know how big this is. And also yeah, Super Cheap is closed now, so yeah, I don't even know if this comes with a clamp or not. Probably doesn't. Fuck. This is what I mean guys, you have to take off half the intercooler pipe because you need to access the bolt and then after that I can pull it out, because you know if something's there, how you gonna pull it out, man? It's logic, yeah?
No.
Next. Oh. Next, so what we do next? Airbox, airbox,
now,
airbox.
You got a 10mm, and another 10mm.
Wow.
So let's start with the easiest one.
Alright guys, we got a problem right here. So this is a 3-inch pipe and I think the stock pipe is a 3-inch as well, so we're actually going to need a converter, but you know, unfortunately Super Cheap, Autobahn, all that is all closed. Bunnings doesn't sell it, so as you guys can see here, it doesn't even go in, so it's matching, it's the same to the same. So we're going to need an adapter so it can go over. So I guess no install today, huh? Just run it like this. Alright, if this video gets 60 likes, we might do it, we might consider it. But yeah, can you hear it? Wait, can you hear it, Hack? Yeah, it went so-do-do, but I think it might have a bit of noise. But anyways, yeah, so I guess we just get a car wash or something. No. I guess we just buy actual those pipes so it goes straight in, yeah? Damn, and also, oh yeah, and also the mass sensor anyway, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but yeah. So for now, we're gonna go back to stock, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. You know, I can't just leave you guys hanging here. We might go car wash, we might spray with a bit of that good. But yeah. Oi, fixing APPAREL again?
Nah, not yet.
Look what came out to play today. For BM1's S14, huh?
Get white wheels, yeah?
Yeah?
They said get white wheels, it'll be sick as, but
Damn.
it's like fucking dirty.
Wow.
Wow.
So man got the Viper alarm system, and he also opted for the keyless start.
It will start, but make sure your car's out of gear.
Oh, wait, what? But you're not even in the car.
And
wait, how?
an extra system, if someone tries to steal the car, press on the brake or put the e-brake down, car will turn off.
Oh, so hey, no point trying to steal it. It's just gonna switch off, man.
Switch off.
Yeah. Damn. So if I press on the brake, it will stop. Oh, hey.
Stealing today.
Seiji, that's your kill switch.
Yeah, kill switch.
Kill switch, damn. Same old same.
Big things coming soon.
Big things coming soon. But damn, big things coming soon there. He took off his grill as well. So this causes better induction. So all the air rushes in and it cools the SR20, and it's able to chop all the color shift 86 out there. Even the boosted color shift 86. So without this mod, you can't beat anything. But now with this, all the air goes into the turbine. Fine, we're gonna be smoking all the color shift boosted 86s.
Twisting top up at the pop up, tear the block up with my single. Yeah, yo, chick, she wanna dip, she see the drip, she wanna mingle. Take them trips and make them flips. I stack my chips up like a Pringle. I be preaching all my ism, but it jam just like a jingle. Start choosing, 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 start choosing.
Did someone like put mustard in this or something?
Is mustard on the beat, yes?
The timer ran out and then fucking look, it's just shooting yellow now. Like, look,
Straight yellow.
like it's still coming out, but like, thing like.
Oh, what the?
Fuck? What the fuck?
Oh. No. Oh.
Someone put cheese on the car. What happened?
I don't record you.
What happened? What happened?
It's like a nothing more.
Huh? Wait, what is that? Cable ties. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, man.